In this video, we are going to see how we can switch between multiple channels if you have that associated with a single Google account. Here's how you can switch between those channels. First of all, let's head over to the YouTube, and let's say that I am on a specific channel and I want to switch to another channel. Well, you can click on this and you click on switch account, and there you get all the options for the current ID. And if you have multiple IDs logged in and connected, you can switch to the other section as well, which shows the associated channels with that specific ID. So you might see a long list here. Also, if we click on view channels, we should be able to see and switch between any of the channel from here as well. We just click on this, and as you can see, the profile icon changed. And now if we head over to the YouTube Studio, it is that specific channel details. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.